Hopefully, we learn from our mistakes and evolve. Or do we?
With open soul, I called my friends and invited them for the event today. I had a chance to look at faces of my friends, and I understand. I understood again. I was right inviting them for today's screening.
This picture stays apart from the rest of what I saw and know about that play.
Yeah, it's very deep and serious. Lara Romanov, very good actress and very great creative will and determination and dedication. She has experience of some troubles of life.
This is very interesting. Production that shows a typical American family, typical today American family, have the same feelings, the same relation between themselves, like it was among people in the 19th century. This is what very interesting for me.
I must say that I'm impressed with this film very much for a few reasons. One is that it's amazing how well the essence of the play that takes place in the 19th century in provincial Russia, how well it works in a completely different setting in Hollywood with the 21st century realities.
I'm very thankful to Michael and Lara that I was present on the set from time to time, and I played some old guy, you know, those old guys all over the Russia who practically stuck in the middle, and they're not in the Soviet Union where they were raised, and they're not in the future what is like developing. Mike, like a first-time director, was really good, and Lara's too. Lara was beautiful, Lara was appropriate, Lara was sensitive, and she was Russian.
The movie is such a striking reminder of the power of film to transcend what happens. It's sort of like an Altman movie. Got a lot of people in it, a lot of things going on. There are no easy answers to the problems that people have, so suicide becomes sort of a normal option for people. Other amazing thing about this is cast. The movie, even though it wasn't very long, gave everybody really ample room to develop their character and to inhabit them for whatever time they were on the screen. And as a result, we got to see, 7, 8, 9 really tremendous performances.
Lara managed to make her personage alive. You feel it, it's touching. With all these difficulties, like falling in love with one man, then another man, with all this comedy and tragedy and real people. That's what I love about this movie.
Not just talk about it, they did it. They actually wrote the script, they thought it over, they got whatever they could together, favors, it's the most honest way to make movies today, because, I mean, if you are not in a field of making comic books movies, and if you want human stories, the only field today, the only place, it's independent movie makers. And I applaud Michael, I applaud Laura.
The legacy of Chekhov, and of course of great Russian theater and cinema, acting, and culture. And we're losing it. The thing that gratifies me, Russians are passionate about their art, and as well they should be, because it's the greatest art and it has informed the history of art in all countries.
And we are wrapping it up.
Thank you.